Hello, Elk Setters. I am on a solo mission today. Oh, and you can tell that it is a windy day. Woo! We just had a pretty good melt / rainfall last night, and so it took off all the layers of snow. So when I came out here, it was just like an ice rink. So I went to about 11 feet again. I didn't check yet, but I'm assuming it's 11 feet because my other day, 2 days ago, I was just about 5 feet over that way. So I'm assuming I'm around the same depth. Around the same depth I seen that 40-incher. Crazy. We're gonna see. Well, because you're supposed to go shallower for pike as the season ends. You know, as late ice gets here, and that's when usually March starts rolling around, and so it's like, I don't know, it's like February something. And when I was out here with Wesley, I don't know if you've seen that episode. If you didn't, I recommend you go check it out, because we were catching fish all day. Craziness. Because he was doing that old traditional minnow on treble hooks, and he caught double the amount of fish that I did. So I'm gonna do what he did, and hopefully I can catch as many fish as he did. Yeah, so that's the plan. Let's catch at least a 35-incher, man. Like, jeez. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! What the actual fuck? What the actual fuck? What the actual fuck? Oh. No. Shit. Why did the top come down? That actually lifted my whole frozen patch. Oh, that was ass. Shit. Ow. That was the most bullshit thing I've ever seen. Oh my god. Like, are you kidding me right now? I can't move from the spot. I guess I could lift it. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? This is ridiculous. It wasn't like this before. Shit. Oh, it just wants to go. Are you fucking serious? It just wants to fly away. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Hell, what the fuck? That was absolute bullshit. I hated that. What the hell? Yeah, everyone's gonna tell me, bring your 10 spikes, bring your 10 spikes. You sit there. That was embarrassing. That was painful. That was frustrating. That was a whole bunch of negative emotions. I'll tell you that right now. I'm sitting. The wind is still blowing very hard, but I have my ice screws in. First time using those. I'm sitting with my couch on the flaps at the bottom, and I have a bungee cord to where the wind is blowing from so the wall doesn't get blown in. And I got my sled out there also on an ice screw. I need to check what the wind is, because this is insane. The winds are 30 kilometers an hour. Both of my elbows are very bruised from falling. So I got my lines up. I'm not doing a line outside because the wind's just too strong. It's gonna freeze over the hole. So I got a live minnow on this one. I got a dead minnow on this one. The reason why I'm not doing 2 live minnows is because I've had a live minnow wrap around my other line. Do you see what I mean? Oh my God. One of the roughest. Oh, was that a hit? No, just hell. Just hell on earth. I'll turn you back on when something happens. Hopefully, when I mean like something happens, that this doesn't just fly up or something. I don't know. Okay. Everything is perfect except for the incredible amount of wind that is outside. So now we can just sit back and wait, I think. Fingers crossed. Oh, I gotta check the depth. Let's see what depth we're at. I hope it's still 11.5. And if I get any fish today, we're doing measurements just so I can have a good... Oh my God, that is so scary. Oh! "15 feet on the dot." How is that 11 then? Huh. Okay. Thing is, I'm not moving. Oh my. Stop it! Take it every pony, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby dancing with a younger man. Pike strike, pike strike, pike strike, pike strike, pike strike. Now! You see that? I see that. I see that. I knew you were still in the area. There it is. That's a fish. Here we go. Nothing. Don't want nobody to freak out or nothing. Just, oh, he ripped this bait off. And wasn't done, so he took my other one. Oh no, it's right here. You were barely hooked. Just get out of here. Oh, I hooked you again. Oh, no, you weren't supposed to get hooked again. Okay. Pretty good. I don't know if you saw that, but when he tried to get away, he bit the hook and he started to run. And I was like, what are you doing? Now my tent is blown away. Okay, I have all 3 of my lines down inside of the hut. Using this thing as like my jig here as an attractor. I try to keep it moving so I can bring any big ones in, and then that'll be the tasty bait. Okay. It's actually it's a decent pike actually. Okay, it's not that big. It's not that big. She's not small though, like took the dead bait, eh? Well, if you want to be free, oh, you got yourself free, nice. See how heavy she is. Like 4 pounds? 3 pounds? It's a 3.5. It's a decent fish. And we're gonna get a measurement, as we said we would. "25 inches. She's got a bit of a derpy lip. Very healthy fish. We're gonna get her back now. Oh, every Friday we're doing ice fishing video posts. So stay tuned, subscribe, and we're gonna do it together. All right, well, it looks like it's the end of the night. It's around 6 o'clock. Sun's pretty much gonna go down in half an hour. Got nothing, no sunlight to keep me visible. Well, it was an okay day. It was okay. You know what? The problem was? The problem was just over there is 11 feet. Just a few steps, like boop, boop, boop. 3 steps, 4 steps, just over there. 11 feet. Right here is 15 feet. I'm supposed to be in 11, so I just need to take a couple steps that way. But the problem was that the wind. It was the wind. It was so hellish. Once I finally got this shelter down, I was like, I'm not moving. I'm not risking it. Anyway, thanks for watching, Hook Setters. I will catch you next time. Tail lines.